Hey there, everybody. 42 Shoes here with episode 26 of Alex Eats. Ruby's here. She's in there somewhere. Had to take it to the other side of the porch today, you know? Every now and then you gotta change things up. Look at life from a different angle. Anyhow, as promised, I have my very own hot sauce for you today, and it is my strawberry rhubarb hot sauce. I made two. Mild and hot. I've been told my mild is more of a medium. So, medium and hot. But I'm hoping Ruby will jump in the window here, but, you know, what are you going to do with cats, man? Anyhow, so we're going to start off with the mild. See, right there, mild. And these are just old recycled bottles that I have, you know, wash them out, put new stuff in them. But look at the color on this, huh? Can you see that? It turned out looking really nice. Anyhow, we got the spoon. Not the big spoon, but, you know, it's a spoon. So, give it a smell. It smells very good. It's very... This one is made with serranos, the mild one, and the hot one is made with habaneros. So, strawberry, rhubarb, serranos, and a little bit of vinegar. That's all I did. I think I should have added some sugar, but it smells so good. Check it. You can smell the fruit. Alright, let's see how it's going to pour. Now this sauce, I think I used about 4. Oh, it's in there. Ooh, look at that. That's a good pour. Oh, I think I used about 4 big strawberries. Ooh, trying to let you see it. Get on there. And 2 good size. Oh, there it goes. 2 good sized pieces of, you know, like regular sized pieces of rhubarb. I don't know. I'm not like a rhubarb expert, but check that stuff out. Oh, come on, camera. So, man. Anyway, it looks good. You can see pulp. Like, you know, there's some pulp in there from everything. But, oh, it smells fruity. And it smells hot. All right, so my mild strawberry rhubarb hot sauce. Cheers. Oh. It's got some heat for a mild, but it's tasty. You can taste it's fruity. Wow. I'm impressed with myself. Ruby, you need a whiff of this? Okay, so right away the heat kicks in right away, and it's more of a it's in the back of my throat. I'll give it like a 2. It's hot, but it's just kind of a tingle. It's not super hot. I used 2 serranos. 4 strawberries, 2 pieces of rhubarb, a little splash of vinegar. I wasn't really measuring. I was like, this much. And I made this bottle, which is a, I don't know how many ounces this is. 8 or something? I think it's 8 ounces. Made this bottle and then like a little 2-ounce cup worth. 2-ounce cup worth. And that's what I got. So then onto the hot here. This is, see, it's hot. This is also strawberry rhubarb, but this has habaneros in it. So I think I used 5 strawberries, 2 pieces of rhubarb again, and I think 3 habaneros. And then I did also, I cooked both of these sauces on a simmer for like 15 minutes. I've heard that cooking it will make it last longer, but I don't really know. Anyhow, let's see if we can get something out of here. It doesn't smell any different than the other one. This new camera angle, I don't know where to go. Come on, baby. Oh, she's in there good. Might need to, like, stick a finger in there. It's hot. Get out. I don't want to lose it. Get out of there, you joik. Oh, we got something. Come on. Okay, I can't get any out. Blah. It's hot though, baby. But it's good. Ah. Oh, there we go. Now we're moving. Now we're moving. Gotta get a good spoonful for the people. Come on, get out of there. What's a guy gotta do, huh? Oh, alright. That's what you're getting, folks. I actually have some chicken wings today. So I'm gonna put this on some wings for lunch. Woo! Alright, so this is strawberry rhubarb hot sauce made with habaneros this time. Cheers. This one seems thicker than the other one. Oh. This one's a little thicker and obviously a little hotter. Takes me up to like a 3 or a 4 maybe. Yeah, I could call it a 4, I guess. The Serrano one was really in the back of my throat. This is everywhere. Everything hurts. Okay, well, anyhow, it's a beautiful day. Got mow the grass. Ugh. Yeah, strawberry rhubarb hot sauce. It's delicious. I'll put a little recipe down in the description. Make some your own. I bought everything at the store. I didn't grow any of this. Oh, I grew the rhubarb. But anyway, make some hot sauce, man. Because the stuff they're selling at the store sometimes just doesn't cut it. Thanks for stopping. Thanks for shopping. Enjoy the weekend. And take care.